Hello everyone, you're welcome. Today I'll be talking about this. This is a clamp multimeter. I ordered this from China via AliExpress and it got to me in time. And interestingly, it was free shipping and it had tracking. So I was able to track it as it was coming all the way till it got to my place. One other wonderful thing about it is that it came intact, no damage whatsoever, and everything, the packaging was intact. That is why I decided to make this video. I'm going to show you the next video where I tested it and it worked perfectly well. Okay, so this video is the unboxing. I'll show you how I got it out, unboxed. I'll show you the box, everything intact, no damage whatsoever. If you need this, I'll put a link to the seller on AliExpress in the description. That seller is really good because, as promised, it got to me on time. I got it on time and no damage, and it works fine. And it is free shipping with tracking. I think that's enough reason to recommend this seller. Okay, so if you need this or you need to get other items which the seller sells on AliExpress, click on the link below. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, let's get to the unboxing. Come with me. Hello, everyone. Yes, good morning. Ike Felum here for Ike Felum Adventure Series. Okay, this just arrived from China via AliExpress. I bought this online from AliExpress. It took some weeks and I have received it. And everything seems intact. The packaging is not damaged. The packaging is not damaged in any form. So I'm just going to quickly open it. What it's actually supposed to be is a multimeter. Multimeter for my solar system, so I can check my battery voltages and know their current, know the AC current, and check some other very vital information. Okay, without much ado, all right, without spending much of your time, let's just quickly open this stuff and see what we have inside. So just gonna get some things to snap off this tape. There's a tape here. There's a tape right here. I cut it off so we can open it and get it out clean. All right, so let me get something to cut off this tape and open up this side. Yeah, so I got my scissors and I've been able to cut off the tape at both ends and get it opened. So now I'm just gonna bring it out and let's see what we have inside. That's it. Digital clamp meter. Just arrived from AliExpress. Purchased it online. The packaging is intact. The edges, no dents, no problems at all. No problems at all. All intact and no dents, no problems. So let's just get it opened and see what we have inside. Okay, so let's just bring it out. Wow, I like this. Well wrapped, well sealed. There's a zipper here. So just gonna zip it open. Yeah, lovely. Lovely. So this is a clamp meter, a digital clamp meter. It's for measuring the current, AC current, and with this I can see the battery voltages and some other settings. Nice. Let's see what else we have in the package. Okay, this is like an instruction manual. I'll go through this later. What else do we have here? Okay, we have actually don't know what this is, but I think it's a kind of probe. I'll check it out later. And these are the standard probes we use for making contact with the negative and the positive points. For checking currents. Alright, so far so good. Everything is intact. I need to know what this is. I actually don't know. If you know what this is, please leave it in the comment section below. I need to know what this is. I need to know what this is. It has the negative and the positive also. These are the probes for connecting to which you connect to these ends. And this is the AC clamp. And these are settings you use for different things. And I need to go through the manual to get the best use out of this device. So no problem. Next on the list is to check it out and see how well it works. And that I will do in another video. So thank you for watching. Please do not fail to hit that like button and subscribe. If you want this, I'm going to leave a link of this seller in my description below. So you can hit the link up and get it from AliExpress. As you can see, it was shipped to me intact, no damage, nothing whatsoever, everything perfect and on point. Awesome. So this is a seller I can recommend. So you want to get anything from this seller, I'm going to leave a link to his store on AliExpress so you can patronize him and buy from him. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in other videos. Ike Felim here for Ike Felim Adventure Series. Peace. Have a nice day.